Cecil wagon, shotgun.
You gotta put the hammer on, Smoothie. Golden Gate.
I just want to talk across the street.
Hello,
Exorcist, appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to get back to what I was doing there, John. Take care. Tell old SlimJim and all the boys in the hog yard howdy doody. And make sure you tell old Slim he's still butt-ass ugly. I see you.
Yeah.
Nah, I said he was butt-cracking. Hey, Motormouth Law, what the hell's going on out there in that Mobile? On this fine Easter Sunday, you were dog in a Razorback cruising this homemade flats I got down. Hey, Motormouth Mall, man, it's all about that antenna, no doubt about it. Hey, Motormouth Mall, I just want to bump it down and let you know you got it going all around Arkansas, man, no doubts about that. Like you always do. Hey, Motormouth Mall, man, that's how many inside these 40 well-trained birds I got down. I'll see ya.
You ever do don't up in your